Hey everyone, Justin Keith here, one of the owners of Killer Performance. We're located in Grand Valley, Missouri, and I'm going to take you inside and show you what we got going on this week. Let's go. I've got our showroom here. Basically, we got our next OBS project here. Yes, we love OBS trucks. A lot of people ask what OBS means. It's basically the original body style. So these are old body style trucks. This one is a 454 SS with 7,000 original miles. And we're going to be putting that LT5 crate motor from Chevrolet Performance in it here in probably the next month. That's where all the magic happens. Authorized personnel only. Did you sign a waiver?
Of course.
Okay. All right, here's where all the wrenching goes on out here. We've got a Kenny Bell supercharged SRT in for some diagnostic work. Here's another Mustang that we built. Curtis over there, the Silver Fox. He does all of our Ford builds. So if you all message us or call us, ask for Curtis. He's your guy. I do all the GM and Mopar stuff. Curtis, tell us a little bit about this car.
We did this car a while ago. This is a VL Fab 8888, made nearly 1,200. Lots more. We're just not turning it up yet. We brought it back, clean up a couple things. We installed some new seats in it, some straps for drag racing, the 8-point kit. Changed the oil and just getting ready to kick it back out, clean some stuff up. This is going to be one of our premier builds. This one's super exciting. This is going to be a GT500 block. It's got 12-to-1 manly pistons in it, tough rods, Slocco ported heads, ice tank. This one we're hoping to make about 1150 with. The exciting thing is this is the first Joker's Gen 5 3-liter Whipple that he's ported, so that's going to be part of the biggest piece to make all the big power with it. We just had this come in. This is also another Joker's port. This car just made 940.
Picked up 60 wheel horsepower with the Joker's ported blower.
60 wheel with just the Joker's port. Stock throttle body, no other changes. This is another car we've done before. Custom one-piece drive shaft on it. So this car's, he's looking to run a pretty good number with this.
Yeah, it should run mid to low 9s for sure. Tim's doing a great job. Everyone, this is Tim Vento.
How's it going?
One of our technicians since we started.
Yeah, since
2 years
coming up on 2 years.
So if y'all don't know Tim's an awesome guy. He lives in Lee Summit. He has Mustangs himself. He's had a Roush Mustang since it was brand new back in 2002.
Since 01. So.
Yeah, 01.
Yeah.
So Tim does a lot of our Ford builds that we do here at the shop. So if you got a Mustang coming in, more than likely, it's going to be this guy right here.
Do all the Coyote stuff.
All right, so what we got going on here is basically one of our KP 550 packages on an LT1 Camaro. That consists of putting a custom grind cam in there that we offer here. We're also going to be putting a set of headers on there and deleting the DOD, all that good stuff. Finishing off with a RotoFab intake and DSX flex fuel sensor. That way you can run E85 or pump gas. It's a pretty simple package. The car sounds great with these cams, and it'll probably make about 530 to the tire on just a normal 91 pump gas, which is great. Pat, we're gonna go back here. Kurt said there's a cool car back here to look at. Oh yeah, we just did a tune on this GT350 today. They're gonna come pick it up here in just a little bit. Dropped it off this morning, gonna pick it up this afternoon. It's ready to go. GT350 with a tune in it. Over here, we'll finish up. This is our 19 ZL1. This is one of our shop cars. It's one of my personal cars that I've had since it was new. It was the fastest stock LT4 supercharged Camaro in the world for a while. And then we decided to go twin turbos, Turbo 400. We put an LME 390 cubic inch sleeved LT motor in it. Pat, come over here. Let's check out under the hood here. I want to show everyone under the hood of this car. This is it. It's got the hidden turbo kit, so the turbos are mounted down below. This is a Huron speed kit that we basically perfected and made look really nice under here. It's got a Frankenstein billet intake. This car is about ready to go to the drag strip and see what it runs. Everybody, this is Stephen Prody.
How's it going?
Stephen Prody came to us from a Chevrolet dealership here in town. He's been here for about 1.5 years now, and he does most of our GM builds here at the shop. He's working on this Camaro that I showed you a while ago. And Stephen, tell him a little bit about yourself.
My name's Stephen. I used to work up at McCarthy for about 7 years. And before that, had some Wyotech experience with high performance engines and some fabrication. And moved here from Lake of the Ozarks to work with Larry Larson for a little bit and got some experience there and kind of just worked my way into the high performance field. It's been really good.
Yeah, Steven's an awesome tech. He's him and Tim are a great addition to our shop. And basically basically the core of our shop. And they do a really good job on everything.
I hold the flashlight. I hold the flashlight.
Curtis holds the flashlight.
Curtis holds the flashlight.
I'm pretty central to our operation.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so that's it. That's Killer Performance. That's what we got going on this week. We'll try to do a video about once a week just to show you what we got working in the shop. And if y'all have any questions or need anything done to your own car or truck, send us a message or send us an email. All of our information is on our Facebook page and on our website. That's it. We'll see you next time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Check this out though, we got our new issue of CK Truck Magazine with the ZL1500 right on the front cover. What's up? We actually just had a delivery and we got some new welds for the ZL1500 truck. They're actually originally for the 454 SS truck that we're getting ready to build, but I think these will actually fit the ZL1500 truck better, and the 5 spokes that are on the teal truck now will work better on the 454 SS truck. But check these things out. We just got tires mounted on them. Oh, they look awesome. So right here we got 20-inch Weld S77s, and we're just getting ready to put them on the teal truck now to see what they look like. Basically, we got the same 555R2 drag rails in the back and 555 G2s in the front. Fronts are a 255/30/520, and the rears we got a 275/30/520 on the back. As you can see, it's a perfect fit for the truck being this low. No rubbing issues at all. So let's get these things mounted on the teal truck and see how they look. There it is, guys. ZL1500 with S77s on it this time. The exact same spec that we used on the S71, which is the 5-spoke wheels here. I don't know. I kind of like the 5 spokes, to be quite honest with you. These do look a little different. They kind of make the truck look a little bit more classy. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. They do look really good though. And who knows, we might just leave these wheels on this truck and then save these for our 454 build, since they're a 5-spoke and they actually match the truck a little bit better versus the S77s. Or who knows, we might even have another set of wheels up our sleeve that we might use on the 454 truck. They do look good though. This is the first set of full 20s in this bolt pattern for these OBS trucks. Weld said they had to make their own part number whenever I ordered them. Hey Steve, here's an idea. We can run with the S71s on one side and the S77s on this side. That way we can have both. Yeah, they're the same wheel. I mean, yeah, I think it'd work. We might just do that, honestly. Yeah, I think it'd be cool. People would kind of be scratching their heads seeing me pull in and be like, wait a second, that truck just had 5-spoke wheels on it. Oh, and also check it out, people. We did take off the bed cover and we put this mat down. That way, if I still need to put anything in here, we can. That's what it looks like underneath. It's got like some Velcro stuff, but I think it looks nice with the bed cover off. Definitely loving it. Yeah, the cover's not for sale. It's on Steven's truck.
Yeah. How about this? This might be a one of one.
No, I don't think so. A lot of people have been doing.
Done.
Oh yeah, these LT2 intakes are pretty popular on these cars right now.
Fits with some grinding on the
Yeah,
back
you said you had to grind where the DI pump is back there on the bottom of the intake.
Normally it's on the front, so they have plenty of room here.
Yeah, because so you made a good point. So on a C8, which is what this intake's on, this is normally flipped around. So this is basically flipped around. Yeah, pointing towards the back of the car. So yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Well, you're about ready to fire this thing up.
Yep.
Cam swap.
LT5 throttle body adapter.
Yeah.
And get the rotofab in. This is something we had to do. They don't have the factory. So like on the 6th gen, it has the booster hose that has like a quick connect in the back. And it doesn't have that. Apparently, I think on the C8s, it's all electric. Because the C8 has brake by wire, basically. There's no mechanical connection on a C8 for the brakes.
Jeez.
So I don't think they need it.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know that.
Huh.
So yeah, I just tied the booster line to here.
That's awesome. Cool. This thing looks like it's about done. Tim's got himself a Whipple car over here.
Oh yeah.
Tim, this is probably going to be your biggest horsepower Whipple car you've done
This
yet.
is a pretty serious PD blower car.
Got a ported Whipple on it, Gen 5 Whipple, which is pretty dang awesome. It's got a 5.2 liter GT500 block ported heads.
Yeah.
And it's built, the short block is built, rods, pistons, ARP, everything. We're going to put a crank support on it. We're waiting on that to come in. It's getting an ice box, built 10 speed. I mean, it's going to be...
It's pretty maxed out. It's got a lot of good stuff.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
Pretty serious.
Curtis is thinking like 1,100 horse.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It's
man.
gonna be awesome.
This car's going to be a ripper for sure. LT4 supercharged 10-speed, no expense spared Silverado. I love how they incorporated the takeover with streetcar takeover and being as my truck. OBS takeover, love it. You open up the magazine. It's got us in the section where it shows a little bit about the truck. Then you go here. It's got some underneath pictures, which are pretty cool. Just a ton of stuff. Grant Cox did the photo shoot on this truck. I mean, look at these 2-page picture features. I mean, the interior looks incredible in these pictures. At the time, this was when the Midwest, well, basically the whole country almost, was going underneath that big winter freeze. It was like 15 below zero outside, completely frozen. So we did the photo shoot inside the shop. I couldn't even drive the truck to go wash it, so I had to wash it inside the shop. And yeah, it was just really tough. I mean, you can see the rust on the brake rotors just because we couldn't drive the truck. But pretty cool. And then also, when you go through the magazine, we have like a center poster in this thing. Yeah, so this is in the very middle of the magazine, so you can actually pull it out from the staples. And then you got yourself a ZL1500 poster you can put up on your wall in your office or something. Pretty cool. So big props to CK Magazine. If you're not a subscriber and you love trucks, Chevy trucks specifically, you need to get this magazine. It is brand new. They just started this year. These guys are awesome with the features and stuff in these magazines. Everything's truck related. It's got C10s, old trucks, it's got K5 Blazers. I mean, just all kinds of just awesome stuff in here. Oh yeah, if you're at the Lone Star Throwdown, they have some footage from it as well. Oh yeah, there's the ZL1500 engine bay and the LST highlights in the magazine too. Pace truck looks good. There was some awesome stuff. So if anyone's at LST, we got a top 100 out there at LST as well. So awesome show. I'm definitely going every year now. So that's it, guys. We are headed to LS Fest West this weekend in Las Vegas to hang out with our friends Cletus and Nick Savage, Uncle Chet. We're taking my girlfriend out there. She doesn't really get to go to the racing stuff that often. So we're going to have a blast. I'm going to try to get whatever footage we can. If it's cool, I'll film it. But yeah, that's it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time. We'll see you later.